They're heroes.
Yeah.
Right?
Good parents. Parents that try to make it a good situation.
Yeah. They had more empathy is what it was.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now let's go.
Oh, now we're going to do some Hank Williams.
Oh, my God.
But I'm going to mostly
Who's starting?
sing it. I'll sing it. I'll start it. It's in C.
Oh, okay.
Hear that lonesome whippoorwill. It sounds too blue to fly. The midnight train is winding low. I'm so lonesome I could cry.
The silence of falling star, like the purple sky, and as I wonder where you are, I'm so lonesome I could cry.
I'm so lonesome I could cry. You ever hear a robin weep when leaves begin to die? Like me's lost the will to live. I'm so lonesome I could cry. I've never seen a night so long when time goes crawling by. The moon just went behind the clouds to hide his face and cry.
I'm so lonesome I could cry.
I'm so lonesome I could cry. Halloween.
Ooh.
You always steal the purple sky first.
Well, you know, Mo, I go straight for the shit I like, right? I don't, you know, well, I got thousands of songs up here.